So now both crews are fully aware the camera's obviously over here. I think our guy said they were kind of fooling around earlier, but let's see what happens here on the pullout. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions, and today we are visiting Boynton. And our crew, I think, has it on the trailer, and I believe they're ready to roll. So our guy's gonna get in the driver's seat. Let's roll. Taking their sweet time on the pullout, but I did not see them trim the motor up. So our guy's finishing hooking them up. Oh! And they wind up dragging it after they see the camera and realized it was going on. Trailer just bounces a little bit, the outdrive's down, they wound up smacking it good. Oh, sweet, sweet Boynton at its finest. Welcome back again, guys. Our crew's trying to get her loaded up. He grabs the pole to try and bounce it over the trailer. It kind of looks like he's over the wheel well a little bit, though. I mean, he's got the guide poles on there, so I guess he really can't be. But our guy is about to try and winch it on. I am almost 100% positive he just came over the bow stop with the winch strap. So, I mean, I understand he's trying to get it on, but this could be a dangerous move because now, if they brake hard later, there's nothing to stop it from going over the bow stop. If you guys are watching, this is not the way you do it. That strap needs to come underneath the bow stop. So it looks like he's trying to power it up. Maybe they're struggling to get it up there. I mean, but they're on there now. But I mean, oh, I just hope this one works out okay for them. But this is how we see boats go flying off the front of trailers. Maybe they're not going to fix it. He's not going to back down and try and do it the right way now. So we got Pontoon Man coming in behind him. And our crew on the pontoon boat looks like they're trying to line it up. Coming a little hot. They're getting pretty close to the boat in front. Gonna have to try and brake check it so he doesn't hit it. I mean, they are right on top of him. They'll get it pulled back, though. But, man, still, that's going to be a dangerous move for this crew. I mean, they're pulling out with the bow strap just in the complete wrong spot. The old jet ski boys coming in after a day out on the water. And I don't see any lines out. And we're going to pull that old typical South Florida move, and we're going to run the jet skis, it appears, right up onto the concrete. I mean, this is the greatest way I know of to take care of a hole and keep your ski in that pristine, new-looking condition. This is the only place I see this is in South Florida. Let me know if it happens at your boat ramp in the comments below. I know I've asked this question before, but I mean, I never, ever see this where I boat. ever. I mean, I see jet skis beached, where people will run them up onto the beach, but at the boat ramps, I never see them run them up onto the concrete. They almost always have a line and tie it off on the dock, but for whatever reason in South Florida, we just don't do that. Maybe this is the better way. Maybe tying it to the dock's the wrong method, and I've just been wrong all these years. And our next jet ski crew coming in on approach. Nice little slow roll approach, taking it easy. But again, pulling the South Florida move, we're not even aiming for the dock. And so our captain's going to get off. And at least he didn't run it up onto the concrete, so he stopped and is holding it in a little bit deeper water. And another one of the passengers is going to get off the back, though. I mean, I guess this is a little better than running it up on the concrete. I mean, maybe he's just going to hold it here? I mean, I guess maybe they don't have lines. Always an interesting one. The jet skis we see down here in South Florida, everybody's got a different approach on how they're going to get this thing put up. So, and now he's walking it back to the dock. So once again, at least he didn't put it on the concrete, but I mean, if, bro, you were just going to walk it back to the dock anyway, why wouldn't you have just done that in the beginning and drove over to the dock and had the person on the ski just hold the cleat? I mean, maybe he didn't have the skills to do so. And yeah, so I mean, in the end, we wind up on the dock, and she's just going to hold it while he walks up and goes to get the truck. So, I mean, he did have lines because he's just using her as the line. But an interesting way to have an approach to the dock. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.